Before we begin, I want to speak directly to the part of you that feels stuck. Maybe lately, you've been wondering why your life isn't moving forward, why the same thoughts keep circling in your mind, why your emotions feel heavy, why you keep repeating old patterns even when you want something new. Maybe you feel like no matter how hard you try, something inside you just isn't shifting. Maybe you wake up tired, overwhelmed, or unsure of yourself. Maybe you've prayed, hoped, tried, yet nothing around you seems to change. And you've quietly asked, "What's wrong with me? Why can't I just be different?" I need you to hear something gently and clearly. There is nothing wrong with you. You are not failing. You are not broken. You are not behind. You are simply thinking the same thoughts your mind has practiced for years. And your brain, like everyone's, becomes wired around repetition. Not because those thoughts are true, but because they've been repeated for so long. Science calls this neuroplasticity. Scripture calls these patterns strongholds. Both tell us the same truth. Your mind can renew. Your patterns can change. Your story can shift. And today, we're going to walk through 6 biblical, science-backed steps to help you stop negative thoughts and begin rewiring your mind from the inside out. Before we begin, can I ask you a small favor? If this message already speaks to you, please take a moment to like and follow. It truly helps the algorithm push this video out to more women who need hope, healing, and direction. Your support makes a real difference. Thank you. Now, take a slow breath, settle into this moment, and let's begin your renewal. Your mind is powerful, more powerful than you've been taught to believe. Every thought you think becomes a pathway, a groove inside your brain. The more you think it, the deeper that pathway becomes. This is why certain emotions feel automatic. This is why worry feels familiar. This is why negative thoughts feel loud. Your brain simply returns to what it knows. But Scripture tells us something extraordinary. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Romans 12:2. This means transformation doesn't start outside of you. It begins inside, with your thoughts, one repetition at a time. Today you're going to learn 6 steps that combine biblical truth with neuroscience, so you can finally understand how to stop negative thoughts and build a renewed, peaceful, confident mind. Your mind is powerful, more powerful than you've been taught to believe. The first step is simple. Be still. Your brain is constantly firing. Thoughts, alerts, noise, memories, fears, what-ifs. Silence interrupts that storm. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. Stillness calms the brain's survival system. It slows down reactive thoughts. It shifts you into a state where your mind becomes open, teachable, rewritable. This is not about emptying your mind. It's about creating the quiet space needed for transformation. Just 1 minute of stillness a day begins to soften old patterns. It lets your nervous system breathe. It makes room for truth to take root. Once you are still, the next step is meditation. Not the trending kind, but biblical meditation. Focusing your mind intentionally on truth. Psalm 1:2 says, "His delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night." Meditation is where information becomes transformation. It's where your thoughts shift from automatic to intentional. Here are a few scriptures that anchor your identity. Psalm 139, "You are known." Romans 8:31, "If God is for you, who can be against you?" Isaiah 54:17, "No weapon formed against you shall prosper." Say it slowly. Visualize it. Imagine it being true about you, because it is. When you meditate, you're not just reading, you're rewiring. The next step is speaking truth out loud. Why? Because your brain believes the voice it hears the most. Life and death are in the power of the tongue. Proverbs 18:21. Faith doesn't come from hearing once. It comes from hearing repeatedly. Here are powerful truths to speak daily. I have the mind of Christ. 1 Corinthians 2:16. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Psalm 27:1. Say them slowly. Repeat them daily. Let them become your new default thoughts. Science shows a habit begins forming around 21 days. Scripture echoes this pattern. In Daniel 10, Daniel prayed and fasted for 21 days before the breakthrough finally appeared. Some cycles break through repetition and consistency. Your thoughts won't change overnight, but daily practice rewires your neural pathways. Every day you repeat truth, you weaken an old stronghold and strengthen a new one. Give yourself 21 days. Show up even when it feels small. Change begins with consistency. Step 5, your morning and night routine. Our brain is most open to new programming in the first 30 minutes of the morning and the last 30 minutes before sleep. This is called the alpha state, a relaxed, receptive brainwave pattern. Psalm 63:1 says, "Early will I seek you." Deuteronomy 6:7 speaks of talking about truth when you lie down and when you rise. Use these windows wisely. Repeat your scriptures. Repeat your affirmations. Repeat your truth. What you feed your mind in these quiet windows takes root deeply. Step 6. Make it a lifestyle. This is not a 5-day challenge. Renewal becomes powerful when it becomes a lifestyle. Think about whatever is true, noble, pure, lovely, praiseworthy. This is where long-term transformation lives, not in intensity, but in daily alignment with truth, peace, purpose, and identity. Your mind can be renewed. Your thoughts can change. Your patterns can shift. Your story can be rewritten. And it all begins with daily, intentional, repeated truth. You are not stuck. You are not broken. You are not behind. Your mind is capable of renewal. Your heart is capable of peace. Your life is capable of transformation. And you are not doing this alone. If this message supported you today, please like and follow. You help this message reach more women who need hope and direction. Your renewal begins now. Before we close, I want you to pause and truly feel this. You are stronger than the thoughts that try to hold you down. You are wiser than the fears that whisper in your mind. And you are far more capable than the doubts that try to tell you otherwise. You are stepping into a new chapter, one where your thoughts no longer control you, but you rise above them with clarity, truth, and strength. You are learning to speak life. You are learning to choose peace. You are learning to interrupt old patterns and create new ones. And every time you do, you become the woman you were always meant to be. Steady, grounded, confident, renewed. Your mind is no longer a battlefield. It is becoming a garden, a place where truth grows, where peace roots deeply, and where strength rises again and again. You are not who you used to be. You are evolving. You are renewing. You are transforming from the inside out. So lift your head a little higher, breathe a little deeper, and step forward with confidence, because what God has started in you, He will finish. This is your season of clarity. This is your season of healing. This is your season of renewal. You are ready. Before we close, I want you to take a moment and really feel this. You are stronger than the thoughts trying to hold you back. You are wiser than the fears that echo in your mind. and you are far more capable than the doubts that try to whisper otherwise. You are stepping into a new chapter, one where your thoughts no longer dictate your direction, but where you stand in clarity, peace, and strength. Every day you practice these steps, you are growing, you are healing, you are becoming the woman God designed you to be, steady, confident, and renewed from the inside out. Your mind is not your enemy. Your mind is transforming. New pathways are forming. Peace is taking root. Strength is rising within you. Lift your head, take a deeper breath, and know that you are moving forward, even if the progress feels small. Small steps create powerful change. This is your season of clarity. This is your season of growth. This is your season of renewal. And if you need deeper support on this journey, I have resources and services linked below designed to help you heal, grow, and strengthen your mindset even further. You don't have to walk this path alone. Support is here for you whenever you're ready. You are capable. You are becoming. You are ready.